Hey there, welcome back to Hold and Modify, YouTube's most poorly produced, underproduced Amiga channel. And today we have got, yes, look at all this software back here, but not that. We've got this, the Golden Image hand scanner. It even comes with Deluxe Paint 2. It is the touch-up software for the 500, 2000, 2500, and 3000. I have a 2500. This computer will rule the world. Yes, the Golden Image hand scanner for only $160. Now, I don't know if that's a date or a stock number that they put on there, but $160, I think that may have actually been the price back in the 90s when this came out. And yes, it was very popular as a way to try and do some early character recognition, OCR type stuff. And of course, scanning in business cards, recipes, notes that you've left around the house, even images. You know, you could just get a little 4x6 or a Polaroid and get it scanned in. And you could use this guy and, you know, you basically just pulled it along the desk, right? Pulled it along the desk and it would slowly scan and give you the image. But enough talking about it. Let's get it open and see if, let's see how complete this is. So here we are in our freakishly wide camera angle so that you guys can actually see what's going on. Already the box is confusing me and baffling me. Oh, it opens up sideways. Of course it does. Yeah, we can see it's well packaged. Here is the awesome and ancient power brick. Looks like it's a standard, and the cable doesn't feel brittle. That's good. We'll set that to the side along with this stuff. Warning, void if... That's the warranty for void. So this is obviously an adapter. This is the, you know, read the manual adapter. Probably, what, parallel port conversion dingus to DIN, maybe, I guess. Oh my goodness. The scanner itself, and it is very, very yellowed. Oh yeah, this obviously sat out. Gives me a little concern if it's actually going to work. And there's the actual scanning area here. My guess is it's probably a series of LEDs and then a optical reader dingus scannery thingy. It's got a text and photo switch on the side here. Photo, small, medium, and large, or whatever that means. So again, I'll have to get into the manual on this. Light and dark slider, and a 1, 2, 3, 4 here. So some very interesting things. And the floppies. It would be super cool if these work. It does say version 4 on it. Looks like somebody did upgrade these. Here's version 3. There's the OCR version 1 support disk. Yeah, I mean, obviously we can explore these and see what kind of juicy, fun things happen when we put the discs in our computer here. We've got the touch-up Amiga version addendum. This is the 4.0 addendum because they did update the software apparently. And someone has even taken the time to print and staple the update. Oh my goodness. Well, thank you for that. The original OCR book for how to use this amazing product. Okay. The owner's manual, and then the Amiga version original touch-up software. Oh my God, that's a lot to go through. Oh geez. Now we have our hand scanner set up, ready to scan some stuff in. A little Amiga World cover there. We're going to go ahead and launch the touch-up software 4.0. I'm trying to stay far away because I know that moray can be really annoying, folks. And it's going to launch up our... This software was updated in 1994. How about that? Jeez. So we'll click on the picture that looks like the scanner. And then this thing that looks like pick your size flatbed scanner. We'll go ahead and click that. We're going to say it's a hand scanner. It's going to be 100 DPI. Now, I have it set to 100 DPI on the actual physical scanner. So it's doing a communication with it on that. And then we're going to go to 4.5 inches. And we're going to say scan. And it's going to warn you it's going to destroy the image. So we're going to come over here. And now very slowly, I'm going to press and hold the start button. And move this sucker down. Very slowly. And as I do that, you'll see it showing up over here with all of the lovely moray, including the moray from the monitor. Isn't that amazing looking? Oh my gosh. Let's get it going. And I have to keep doing this until I hit my 4.5 inches.
That's what she said.
And there it goes. See, it'll automatically stop once you hit 4.5 inches. And then you get this just amazing looking image there. Isn't that wonderful? Isn't this the most amazing thing you've ever seen? Let's do half size there. Ooh, at half size, that looks sort of like it could be the image from the cover of that magazine. Here's full size. and we'll go back to 100%. Now you do have some tools at your disposal. One of these tools is called Process Keen. And what Keen does is, based on some settings you have to experiment with, trust me, and do it numerous times, when you go ahead and run the Keen, it basically averages or merges all the little dots and blobs into what it tries to do is a cleaner shape, okay? Now keep in mind, this is a lower DPI scan of 100 DPI, but it takes the little blob dots that you saw before, and we kind of have that faint image, and tries to make something that looks a little more, I don't know, a little more stylistic. I'm sure somebody who is a really good 2D artist is looking at this and thinking, hey man, that looks retro and cool, I could do something with that. Like if you made it really, really, really small, it might look like a nice icon. I don't know, maybe, sure. But yeah, that Keen feature is definitely key into trying to clean up and get rid of some of the noise in the image. Obviously, a higher DPI would help, and obviously working more with this and trying to balance the size, minimum and maximum, to get the best setting. It just, how much time do you want to spend on it? I'm not going to spend all the time, obviously. I just wanted to show you that, yes, the scanner still works, by the way. Isn't that great? And it has the big bright light in it, and it seems to do its job. Yeah, the OCR stuff is really fussy. You need to make sure that you have super clean text for it to scan, and then even then I'm not even sure how well that OCR stuff is going to work. And as the graphics modes go, yeah, it's going to be black and white, and it's going to be rough. Okay, well, there you go. That was my kind of brief video on this scan product, this golden image. It's been sitting in my office forever. And some of you, like I said, had asked about it and were like, does it work? What does it do? And there you go. That's what it does. It's a thing that existed. And now our phones do without even thinking about it. In fact, our phones can scan your room and make a 3D world for you to walk around in virtually. My goodness. Okay, I'm done with this video.